Hey y'all, today it is 70 plus degrees outside, and so I am out here potting up several of my seedlings into larger containers, and then we are expecting colder weather later this week, so I'll be setting up the greenhouse in a future video so that when all the cooler weather comes through, the seedlings will be in the greenhouse nice and warm, ready to go, growing outside in sun. It's going to be great. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you drop me a comment below. Let me know how it's going with your seed starting. If you're loving it, if you're hating it, if you've had good luck, if you've had bad luck, let me know. Maybe I can help out. Okay, let's look at some of the seedlings that I have going. Over here, I've got early jalapenos, which are looking good. The black strawberry tomato, which is like a dark purple color, which I think is beautiful. I also have mini bell pepper mix, and those are all those bright green ones there. And I also have purple bumblebee tomatoes, which are all looking beautiful. And then down here are all my violas. I had really good luck with the antique layetta and the tiger layetta violas. Not great luck with the brush strokes. Didn't get a lot of germination on that. Way better luck with the super beaconsfield pansy. A little bit more luck with that, but still very happy where all this ended up. So I'm going to be reusing a nursery pots that I have collected. I've cut the trays and I've cut the pots, and I'm going to be mixing up a mix of potting mix soil with plant tone and then planting everything up. So let me show you guys the process. we have everything potted up. The Super Beaconsville pansies, the purple bumblebee tomato, the Tiger Layetta viola, black strawberry tomato, antique Layetta viola, brushstrokes viola, mini bell pepper mix, and jalapeno early. And then I will be watering these, checking on them every day. They are going to stay outside for now. They've already been outside for a couple of days, but they're going to stay outside for now and enjoy all this awesome sunshine we're having. And then prior to the freeze we have later in this week, they will get moved into my Amazon temporary greenhouse. Look, y'all, I even had to wear sunglasses today. It's awesome. I can't believe today is actually Valentine's Day. It's crazy. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this seedling update, watching me get them all ready outside, getting ready to go in the greenhouse. I'm super excited to see this jump start on all of these. I'm looking at, let's see, 16, 20. So this is 80 seedlings that I potted up today, which is pretty fantastic. I can't believe I have such a jump on the spring. I'm really looking forward to it. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.